bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. The glove box is secured by two tabs at the top. Press them forward and pull down on the glove box door to slide behind the tabs. Lower the glove box. Remove the two screws securing the filter housing door. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1227 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing. Reinstall the screws. Partially close the glove box so that the top tab slides in front, securing the glove box. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.